Good morning, my friends. I want to give you an update and show you the progress. So we are recording here. Yesterday I went to we went out to eat, and look at the results. 1.6 loss. I'm extremely excited. Sunday was not a good day, so no loss but gain. So what happened on Sunday? I didn't cook. My husband, he did it, and it's just, I think the problematic part is really the end of the day. Even though, I mean, I actually ate a whole pineapple, and I find out the calories of the whole pineapple is 450. I mean, I can do this easily, so I have to cut it back. Be really careful, cut it back next time. And also, I ate too much the beef patty and I was just finish up everything on the table. So, and I know that the lesson I learned is stop. Right? And then even if there's leftover, I think I would rather throw them away. See here, throw them away rather than me finish them up. But it's, you know, I really need to do better in terms of don't how to say that, in terms of really just get rid of the food rather than eat them. It's better be in the garbage than in my belly. Anyway, so what I really excited here is actually yesterday we went to dinner. We went to Cheesecake Factory. I knew that we will go out to eat, so I tried to take it easy for the breakfast and lunch, so that I can have some more calories to use, caloric token calories to use for the dinner. And it's at the Cheesecake Factory. I didn't know, you guys probably know, they have SkinnyLicious Menu, and none of them is above 590. The highest calories 590. So I ordered the lemon garlic shrimp. It's only $5.50, and it's delicious, and I feel really full. Really full after 5:50, after finish the whole thing. So it's really good size. And I saw the one my husband ordered. It's like a huge plate. I think the whole family can it can feed the whole family. So I think this is excellent option to order when you when you go out to eat. I wish more restaurants would do that, and then people won't be afraid of going out to eat, right? If you're on a diet, that's something like really tricky. So total calorie yesterday was 1,046, and I had a 1.6 pound loss. So that seemed great. If I can keep that momentum going, that would be excellent, right? But today will be the tricky day, I think. If I can keep losing like that, I will reach my goal at no time. But often that's when things start to move a different direction. So I have to be careful.